How to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on your Windows. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can fix the Wi-Fi not showing up on our Windows. So let's just get started with the video and find out how we can fix this issue. So if the Wi-Fi is not showing up on your Windows, these are the methods you can follow up in order to fix it. So head over to the search bar first and go ahead and search for services. After that, you need to open up the services in your device. Go ahead and open it up. And after you open it up, you'll be finding this Windows. So from this section of this list, you need to scroll down and head over to this WLAN autoconfig. And after that, after you locate it up, right click on it and head over to properties. And this will appear. So from the startup type, you make sure it is started, make sure it is running, and from the startup type at the top, make sure it is automatic. This one right here, make sure it is automatic, and after that click on apply and OK, and that should do it. So another method you can apply up instead of this one right here, if that doesn't work, is again heading over to your search bar and type in CM device manager. Just go ahead and open up device manager. After opening up device manager, this Windows appears. So go ahead and locate your network adapter from here and drop it down. Drop down your network adapter and go ahead and locate your network adapter that is connected to yours. For example, this one. After that, you need to go ahead and right click on that adapter, and you can find an update option. Otherwise, you can also head over to properties itself and you will be finding update option here also. You can go ahead and update your driver and follow the on-screen prompts in order to update it. And after that is done, go ahead and restart your device. Again, head over to device manager after that, open it up, and after opening it up, head over to network adapter again. And this time what you need to do is go ahead and install it. So go ahead and locate your network adapter first and go to properties, and you can look up for the install option for itself, and that should do it. So this is the method number 2 you can apply up in order to fix your Wi-Fi not showing up on your Windows. Other than that, the last method you can apply up is head over to the search bar and type in system configuration and open it up. After opening it up, this appears on the screen. So head over to the boot this devices services option and make sure all of these are checked mark. If it is not, just go ahead and check mark, apply and OK, and that is it. So these are the methods you can apply up in order to fix your Wi-Fi not showing up. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.